in Shiva Samhita 7.7, 5.7678 for Ashtamaha Shaktis. He says, death is eaten by him, he is eaten by none. He manifests the highest powers, Ahima, Lahima, Garima, Mahima, all the Ashtama Siddhis, the Vayu, the wind energy equally moves through the body, throughout the body. The juice of the body also increases Rasa Vriddhi. The nectar extruding in the eternal lotus also increases the Amritatva experiences in each one of us. Paramashiva has beautifully given us these higher reality. How, when we detox the lower three chakras, simply we can experience the higher reality. All that we need to do is the detox that we need to do for our body. It is now scientifically proven that gut bacteria runs our brain 90%. And simply all the obsessive compulsive reaction, it comes from the lower three chakras. Again and again, Bhagavan says, Haritaki and castor oil and neem juice. Castor oil, the bacteria hates those castor oil. And taking the Thuduvale, Kaslangani and Ponnangani and all these great herbs detox our system to let us be in the restful awareness for the superconsciousness to manifest in our brain. When the subtle grooves of our brain starts capturing the higher reality, simply it becomes the greater reality as our perception. Here Bhagavan Paramashiva beautifully gives us the greater science, how we exist as Paramashiva. He says the neem juice that we take not only removes all the bacteria but also the fantasies, and it takes us beyond that, all the delusion. Same way Haritaki prepares our body, not just removes the toxin, but also it makes our lungs, prepares our lungs to make life force energy from just the prana shakti. All these greater herbs makes our body, prepares our body for higher reality. It is said that just sitting in Padmasana, we should get into the Nirvikalpa Samadhi. But because of the toxin in our body continuously, we are to detox first to experience the higher bliss. All these Ashtama Shaktis simply manifest when we understand the greater truth. The death is eaten by him. As long as we are living with the thoughts, we are prone for more suffering, more chaos, and more thoughts. The thoughts attract more thoughts. Mass attracts more mass. All this incompletion and chaos attracts more incompletion and more chaos, so that we wake up to the reality that this is not us. All that parasites are doing is not us. We are consciousness. We are Paramashiva. Completely, when we surrender our thoughts, we can experience the higher reality. That is why he says, he is eaten by none. The person who understands that mind, whatever the mind, when it merges to consciousness, is simply you are in the higher state of reality. As long as mind is run by all this confusion, it is going to keep creating the birth and death cycle. The body is from the very nature. The nature created the body. It is much more intelligent than the mind. Mind is just the intellect. But the nature created the body. The body understands much beyond. When you detox the body can really start manifesting the higher reality. Paramashiva is real in our brain, and which can coordinate the beautiful space of bringing the coherence in us, making the mind merge into the superconscious space. Paramashiva is real.